I was able to finally connect my Cardo, my phone, to BMW app on the K1600, and am able to actually use the system properly for music, for navigation, for everything else. And let me just show you exactly how it is. So your Cardo is connected to your phone, and it has to be connected to the BMW apps, connected apps. And once you do that, I keep the Cardo system off until the BMW connected app is fully connected with my phone, navigation and everything is up and running, and then I turn on this Bluetooth headset. So now, with that being said, after that, it just started playing everything. So hopefully, this will be it. I just think I figured out exactly what the problem was, where if I connected my phone to the BMW connected apps and my Cardo, it was just not syncing, meaning that BMW connected app, whatever I played, was not playing through my Cardo, and even though my phone was connected to it. So then today I tried another variation where, obviously I knew I had to connect my headset to the BMW connected apps as well. So I did that again, but the main thing that worked for me, it seems like, the sequence of boot ups. So for instance, you power on your motorcycle and then let it connect to your phone, keep the Cardo system powered off. And when it comes on, you can go over here to media. Let me show you from the scratch. So now, as you can see, my navigation map is up because my phone, obviously you have to have the connected app running, and it does have its own, screensaver. If you go to the blank screen on your phone, the full map version would not work. So I keep it the split screen. I really like it. And now you go to the menu and media, and you come over here. So originally, if you connected your Cardo for the first time, it would be on speakers. But now that I connected with my Cardo, finally detects it in the right sequence, and now it's working for me. I don't know if it's just me or that's how it is supposed to be, but I was having trouble during my rides that I would connect, everything would work, and then along the way I would lose that sound. So I don't know if it had something to do with the boot sequence, but I thought I might just share that. I'll try the same thing with my R1300 as well. And on that, I tried the same thing with R1300 GS, and on that it was working. With that, the issue is that with my Cardo ride, now Cardo can connect to my phone and the BMW connected apps, and my phone is connected to Cardo ride. That's the combination I'm going to try today, because what it would do, it would work with Cardo ride or the connected apps previously. So let me try that on. But this is it for this video, and let me try the R1300 GS combination as well.